Can't tell you how awesome it is just to be here, to experience this, just to see the waves crash on the shore. Look how big those waves are. Those rocks, just amazing. Another big one crashing. Beautiful coastline. It's about 50 degrees. Another huge wave. Lots of water all the way up here with me. Jen and I are just having an awesome trip. She didn't want to get down into the sand and this close to the waves. It's quite a ways down here. As you can see, you've got a pretty steep cliff drop off. We had to drive down into a gully area just to get to the beach access. Absolutely beautiful day. We're south of Fort Bragg and just north of Elk. Happy Sunday.